Hi everyone, I'm the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a My ZOO Box unboxing. Thank you so much for stopping by today, everyone. I'm so happy you're here. I'm very excited to share this subscription box that is new to us. It is called My ZOO Box. This is a subscription box for children that includes all things animals. I got this box for my two younger girls who are 9 and 5. They both love animals, so when I saw this box, I'm like, they are going to love this. They had a few different options on the website. They had a one-time box, they had a 3-month subscription, a 6-month, and I believe a year. And if you're interested in getting this box as well, I do have a referral code down in the description box that will give you $10 off your subscription. So here is the box. They also had an option to add on a sibling. So it was a little bit extra, but for some of the items in here, if you have more than one child, they will fight over them and they'll get very upset that they don't have their own. So I added on that sibling for my subscription. And let me get this box open and see what's inside. Now today is my girls' first day of school, so when they wake up this morning, they're gonna be happily surprised with this fun box. And here is a kind of a little preview of the box. The theme for this one is bats, which is tons of fun, especially with next month being October and Halloween is coming up. And I know all the boxes come with a stuffed animal, which my girls are obsessed with, and it comes with some kind of activity. And those are the things that they give you 2 of, so they do not fight over them. So we have this cute little bat, and it has the arms on it that are like a snap bracelet. How cool is that? So you could have the wings out, or you can bend the wings and they can hold on to their wrist like this, or they can hook them onto their bedpost. I know my oldest daughter has some on her bedpost like this. This is so adorable. So there's 2 of them. Next, oh, and I'm happy that there's 2 different colors because now we'll know who's the 2s. We have these bubble poppers. Is that what I cannot remember the names of these things. I have to look it up. But we have one, and I recently showed one in kindergarten. What I'm doing for kindergarten video, I have one that has kind of 100 bubbles on it that she's going to use for counting. But this one's so fun. They're bat shaped. Let me take them out of the package. So you can see here, we have blue and green, and then I can pop all the little bubbles. It reminds me of a soft drink cap where you always have to push down the little bubbles on the tops. So they are going to love this. And then inside here we have some more things. We have some paints here, a paintbrush, and 2 wooden bats for them to paint. And then it gives you some directions on how to paint the bats. And here we have a bat postcard with a lesson on the back for them to learn all about bats. And also, if you are new to this channel, I am a homeschooling mom. So when I said it's their first day of school and we're going to be doing this together, I've been homeschooling for 9 years now, all the way through every child. And so this is going to be a great addition to our homeschool classroom. We have 2 bat stickers here, and then this is pretty cool. We have a poster of a bat with all the different body parts. So you have the anatomy of the bat. My middle daughter loves like all things human body. We got her for Christmas last year one of those kind of statues that had all the different body parts that you can take out, and she really loved that, and she loves all our Usborne body books that we have as well, so she is going to love this. Oh, we have the second paintbrush, And then we get a National Geographic Kids Bat book, which I love these books. We do not have this one yet. This one is all about bats. Here, this will be perfect to add to my morning basket slash book basket for my kindergartner when we do a Halloween themed book basket. I'm not sure if that video has gone up yet. It's gonna come up. It may have already came up or it's coming up this week. Every week I'm going to share what is in my daughter's morning basket slash book basket. And so you'll see this one have a comeback very soon. So guys, what'd you think? I thought this was pretty awesome. I have a feeling that my girls are going to love this and they're gonna look forward to next month's box, and I'm excited to see what animal that has in it. And again, if you're interested in this box, I have that $10 referral code down below. I want to thank my ZOO Box for such a cool box. It's very creative and inventive, and I'm so happy that we have this in our home. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Bye everyone!